How to export Canva to PowerPoint with animations for beginner. So if you want to export Canva to PowerPoint with animations, then what you need to do is first open up your Canva and go with the animation or your presentation. And once you have your presentation, you can go with share, which is on the upper right. And once you tap on share, go with see all. And then you will have an option of Microsoft PowerPoint. Choose Microsoft PowerPoint and you need to go with download and wait for it to download. Once you've downloaded, now you just need to simply go with share again, and under share you can go with see all, and from here you need to choose download, which is right here. And once you go with download, you need to go with file type, and under file type you need to go with GIF. And once you choose GIF, you just need to simply download it. So first choose the first page and choose the second page individually if you don't have the option of all pages, or you can simply go with the first page at once. Go with download and again go with share and download, and then again choose GIF and choose the second page and download. Now once you've downloaded the two pages, you can download all of the pages. So in my case, I only have two pages. Once you've downloaded, now you need to open up your Microsoft PowerPoint. And once you open up your PowerPoint, go with blank presentation. And from here, you need to simply go with insert and go with pictures and choose this device. And after that, you need to go with the GIF that you've just downloaded and open. And once you open, you will export your Canva to your PowerPoint with animations. That's how you can export your Canva to PowerPoint with animations. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.